If you work from home like me, then you probably have an office chair that's kind of like this. And if you work from home like me for a long time, then you've probably spent a lot of time sitting in the chair. And you might have noticed the wheels starting to wear out over time and do this really annoying thing where you try to go one direction and you randomly get pushed in a different direction because the wheels don't turn all the way. And after putting up with this forever, I decided that this was the year I was gonna finally do something about it, especially because I was already looking into getting new equipment to upgrade my home office. And thankfully, at the same time, my friends at Office Oasis decided to send me a set of their original Rollerblade Office Chair Wheels. And truly, these aren't your average office chair wheels. These wheels are made out of high-quality polyurethane, which makes them safe to use across multiple types of flooring. They're designed with a universal sizing, so they're able to fit and be compatible with any office chairs on the market. They're designed to be easy to install, and supposedly I'm going to be able to set this up within 30 seconds, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Next, I'm going to install these wheels so we can see firsthand together how easy or difficult it is to set up, and then we're going to test it out and see if my chair is able to move a lot better after these are installed. All right, here we go. Oh, that pops right in. There we go. I timed that, and this literally took 40 seconds in my case. You can probably do it in 30. Anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Yo, this is actually incredible. Like, I'm literally gliding across my floor with these wheels, and as you can see, it has like almost no noise compared to the plastic wheels I was using before. Like, check this out. Man, not only does this feel super fun to move around in, but it's also going to be really practical because now my chair can move through my office space. So if you're looking to upgrade your home office with something that you didn't know you needed, but is going to be life-changing, especially if you like to pivot between two setups like me, pick up a set of these Rollerblade office wheels from Office Oasis for yourself today, and you're going to be set.